Welcome back everybody, Adam Solowitz here. We're gonna be sous vide in a tri-tip, and we're gonna talk about sous vide cooking, the method, and why it's amazing. So what is sous vide cooking? Sous vide cooking is the process of cooking at a low, constant temperature. By placing the product that you're using in cryo-vac bags and vacuum sealing them. When vacuum sealing the product, you can place whatever flavoring you want. Salt, pepper, herbs, butter, stock, beer. So what this is going to do is allow the product to basically sit in the bag in those flavorings or juices and allow the meat to cook or product to cook at that constant temperature, basically absorbing all those flavors. So how do we do this? How do we cook using the sous vide method? Well, this is an immersion circulator. So what this basically does, you place this into a bucket of water or pot of water, and this circulates the water at a constant temperature. And then again, taking your product in the vacuum sealed bag, you dip it in the water and cook it at that constant temperature for long periods of time using the immersion circulator. So now let's get to sous vide in our tri-tip and getting it in the vacuum sealed bag. Okay, so we have right here is our tri-tip. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna season it with some salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Kosher salt, we're just gonna sprinkle it, add it on. Next side, and some fresh cracked black pepper. I have a bowl right here in our cryo-vac bag, and I'm just using the bowl to help keep the bag upright. So we're gonna take the tri-tip that's been seasoned and we're gonna place it right into the cryo-vac bag. Next thing we're gonna do is I have these beautiful green onion bulbs that I picked up, and we're gonna throw those in there too, because we can. 2 cloves of fresh garlic, thyme, a couple sprigs, and some rosemary. Really nice. Unsalted butter, so just a couple tablespoons. And that's it. We're gonna take this over to the cryo-vac. We're gonna get this sealed up. So we have our tri-tip in our cryo-vac bag here, and then our cryo-vac machine. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna remove the air and seal it up. And there we go, perfectly sealed. Now we're gonna get this in the water bath with our immersion circulator. So I have my immersion circulator here in our water bath. I have it set to 129 degrees. This will cook our tri-tip to medium rare. Now the rule of thumb for cooking meat is for every inch, you're gonna cook it for 1 hour. Tri-tip, which is about 2 inches in thickness. So we're gonna cook that for 2 hours at 129 degrees. Let's drop this bad boy in. So here we go. We're just gonna drop it right in the water bath and make sure it's completely submerged, just like so. And that is it. We'll come back in 2 hours when it's done. We pulled our tri-tip out of the water bath. Now we're gonna remove it from the cryo-vac bag. So I'm just gonna make an incision with my knife, just like so. And just in case there's any spillage directly in the bowl, it's gonna help reduce any sort of mess. And there it is. Oof. If you guys can smell this, I know I always say it, but wow, it smells absolutely phenomenal. The tri-tip. Now, it doesn't look too appetizing right now. So as you notice, there is no color on the tri-tip. Why is that? Because we cooked it in a water bath. We didn't cook it over an open flame. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna sear it on a cast iron to give it some color, and then we're gonna baste this bad boy in butter to finish it off. Let's do it.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's stopping you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the
record. There we have it, sous vide tri-tip. Now, what's the benefit of sous vide cooking again? You get a nice even cook at a low temperature. So you get a consistent cook on your meat. It infuses the flavor into the meat, whatever you decide to put in your cryo-vac bag, and you get a super tender piece of protein. Just remember, check out in the description of the video for the recipe and temperatures and cook times. I'll post those. If you like this video, hit that like button, find that little red button, smash it. That's the subscribe button so you can tune in every week for new recipes, tips and tricks. Again, My name is Adam Solowitz, and as always, eat well.
For the record, you ain't trying to grow